For over a decade, Siri has been one of the most recognizable names in consumer technology, and also one of the most criticized. While competitors pushed forward with generative AI, large language models, and conversational assistants, Siri remained largely static. That is about to change. According to multiple reports, Apple is preparing to transform Siri into a full-scale AI chatbot. And the most surprising part is how they plan to do it, by leveraging Google's Gemini AI. This is not just a feature update. This is a strategic reset for Apple, and a defining moment for the future of AI on consumer devices. To understand why this matters, we need to be honest about where Siri stands today. Siri was built for a different era, an era of rigid voice commands, predefined intents, and limited contextual understanding. It could set timers, send messages, and answer simple questions, but it never truly conversed. Meanwhile, the AI landscape changed dramatically. Large language models like ChatGPT and Gemini introduced natural dialogue, reasoning, summarization, code generation, and cross-app intelligence. Users didn't just ask commands, they collaborated with AI. Siri, by comparison, felt stuck. Apple recognized this gap, and instead of iterating slowly, it appears they've chosen a bold move. Rebuild Siri from the ground up as a conversational AI. The new Siri is expected to function as a true AI chatbot, capable of both voice and text interaction, much closer to ChatGPT or Gemini than the Siri we know today. Here's what that means in practical terms. Siri will be able to understand context, not just commands. It can carry multi-step conversations. It can summarize information, generate content, and assist with complex tasks. And critically, it can interact across apps and system functions. This is not just smarter voice control. This is system-level intelligence embedded into iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. Apple's goal is for Siri to act as a digital operator for your device, not just a voice shortcut. The most controversial part of this story is Apple's reported reliance on Google's Gemini AI. Apple and Google are rivals, but they are also pragmatic. Building a cutting-edge large language model at scale is enormously expensive, time-consuming, and resource-intensive. Google already has world-class AI infrastructure, trained models, and deployment experience. By partnering with Google, Apple accelerates Siri's transformation by years. Apple avoids playing catch-up in raw model performance. Apple focuses on what it does best: integration, UX, and privacy controls. Importantly, this does not mean Apple is handing Siri to Google. Reports suggest Apple will tightly control how Gemini is used, potentially combining it with on-device processing and Apple-designed systems. This is less about surrender and more about strategic leverage. Naturally, this raises questions about privacy, an area where Apple has built its brand. Apple's likely approach is a hybrid AI architecture. Sensitive tasks handled on-device when possible. More complex AI reasoning handled through secured cloud systems. Clear user consent and transparency around data usage. If Apple executes this correctly, Siri could become the first mainstream AI assistant that balances power with privacy, something neither Google nor OpenAI has fully achieved at scale. For professionals, this could redefine enterprise workflows. For everyday users, it could finally make AI feel useful, not intimidating. This move reshapes the AI landscape. For users, it means a Siri that actually understands you, AI built directly into your phone, not locked behind apps. Smarter automation, productivity, and daily assistance. For the industry, it signals something bigger. AI is no longer optional. It's foundational. Even Apple, famously independent, recognizes collaboration is necessary. The next era of computing will be AI first, system level, and deeply personal. Apple isn't just fixing Siri, they're redefining what a digital assistant is supposed to be. And in doing so, they may finally turn AI from a novelty into a necessity. If this vision becomes reality, Siri won't just catch up, it may leap ahead. And that could change how billions of people interact with technology every single day.